overlooping, guys. You gotta report it. So you reset. You reset. And then it's like you go on the thing. You go on the thing, and then it's like